Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're back with alternate project number 3 using the February 2024 Sweet Springtime Paper Pumpkin Kit. Here's a look at what the kit makes. Okay, before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our March Paper Pumpkin Kit, Memorable Meadows, that includes a free stamp set, makes 9 cards, and has a garden green stamping spot. If you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can purchase the Love of Spring dies add-on for $12. The ordering number is 164396. These dies do coordinate with January, February, and March Paper Pumpkin Kit. Mystery boxes. These are the flat rate medium-sized USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of my retired Stampin' Up products. Some of the products are new, some are used, okay? I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included in that $30. I can only ship and sell in the USA. Stampwithshawna@gmail.com is my email if you're interested, or you can go to my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com and click on the image of this flyer. Lastly, we have our host code. This is the host code for February 2024. I want you to use this code whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more before shipping and tax. If it's more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and you don't want to miss out on any of your freebies. Again, it's still February, so we have our celebration going on, and for every $50 that you spend before shipping and tax, you will qualify for some free products out of the celebration brochure, okay? So that's all of our buzzworthy business, so let's go ahead and get started on our project. We're going to start with the inside. We're going to stamp the inside. I have a piece of basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we're going to stamp a little chick in Early Espresso right down here at the bottom. Then we're going to take Light Daffodil Delight again, as I did before, and just roughly color it in. We're not trying to do it like a full color. This is light crumb cake for his feet. And I'm going to go ahead and try to match what it did on the kit. And I'm going to use Petal Pink for his little beak here. Let me get the, ouch, pinched my finger. Let me get the smaller end so I can color his beak in. Okay. Now, that's the stamping for the inside. Where's my glue? Let's go ahead and glue this to the inside. Well, I have a mat of pecan pie that is 5 by 3 3/4 that we're going to lay this on. Just like that. Okay. Then I'll bring out our card base here. It's garden green, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're going to burnish down our score line. And we're going to get this glued into the inside of our card base. Granny Apple Green. Did I say garden green? This is Granny Apple Green. I'm not sure what I said. Okay. And then we have a piece from the kit. While I have the ink out, we're going to go ahead and stamp on this. We're going to stamp Welcome Baby. We're going to use the Early Espresso, and I'm going to stamp this towards the bottom, in the middle, hopefully. And that is all of our stamping, so we're going to be done with the ink. Okay. And before we move on, I have some embossing to do. So I have a piece of pecan pie here that is 5 1/4 by 4, and we're going to take the new online exclusives Fun Patterns embossing folders, and we're going to emboss these. It's new, but it's not out yet. This is only available for demonstrators. So if you want to get it, you can sign up to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and you can add that in your kit. But it's going to be out, I think March 5th is the day for customers. Okay. Oh, I need the big embossing machine. One moment, please. Okay, so we're going to add this on our card stock. We're going to put it on the we want to get most of the right side into the folder. Okay, Only a little bit of this is going to show anyway. Put your folder in spine first, and then roll it through. Okay, so this is what we're left with. Ooh, do I like the embossed or the debossed? I think I want the debossed side. I like it. So we're gonna take this and add this to our card base. Get my glue back out here. Yeah, I think I like the debossed side. So let's make sure we get plenty of glue. Since this is the raised side, we want to make sure we get glue on everything that we can so to make sure it sticks. Okay. And we're going to set this right in the middle of our card front on our base. Okay, and I have a piece here that is from the envelope of the slimline card, and this is 2.5 by 5, and I'm looking at this and I think I was supposed to emboss this. Oh, I know I was supposed to emboss it because there's 2 embossing folders. I'm like, my design, there's 2 embossing folders in this pack, and I wanted to use both designs. So let me get back. Oh no, this one I can use the mini. So let me get that out. So let's go ahead and pop this in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this through our baby Boss, our mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. So you got to see both the machines in action today. All right, so here's our piece. I knew something was not looking right. I'm like, I thought when I designed this, I wanted more texture. That's the word I was searching for. Texture. So we're gonna put this on the side here. And this is why I just wanted that side embossed, because we're covering up most of this side. We're going to be covering up a lot of that side too, but there we go. Okay, then I have this piece that we stamped on, and we're going to glue this down right like this. Oh man. Come on, try to get straight. Oh my gosh, you guys know me in straight. I can't even tell sometimes if I'm straight or crooked. Okay, then I have another piece here. This is from the envelope. It's the same paper, but this is the decorative side of that paper. And we're going to, this one is, I'm sorry, what is this size? This is 3/8 by 3.5. So we're gonna just glue this down right up under the little chicks, like grass or something. That's what I had in my head, just to give them something to stand on. Okay, and then we are going to add some flowers from the kit. I already put dimensionals on the back. I have 3 flowers here, and we're gonna pop these up at the top of our petal pink image here. I'm lightly putting them down to make sure that's where I want them. I think I want to move this one over a little bit more. Like that, so I can push it down. And then we're going to decorate with some of these little pearls here that came in the kit. So I'm going to put 1 pearl here, 1 there, and I'll put another big one about right there. Okay, and that is our card done. Isn't that cute? I love this. This is project number 3 done. Okay, don't forget to come back and watch projects 4 through 10. And if you haven't, go back and watch 1 and 2. All right. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.